Hello everyone, today our topic is how to add public session event in Google Sheets. So whenever a new event is created on session, we want these details to add automatically in our Google Sheets as a new row. For that, we are going to create an integration between sessions and Google Sheets. For creating this integration and to automate this process, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. Pabbly Connect is an amazing software for automation and integration. In Pabbly Connect, we are going to use triggers and action. In trigger application, we will be using sessions. In action application, we will be using Google Sheets. How I am going to create this integration? For that, let me take you to my computer screen. I hope all you can see my screen. And today we have sessions. So what we are going to do is, we are going to create an event first. And then we are going to publish that event on our session account. And our objective for this event is that whenever we publish this event, we want these event details to add automatically in our Google Sheet in such a manner that whenever a new event is published in our sessions account, the details get automatically added in our Google Sheet. For doing this, we are going to create an integration between our sessions account and our Google Sheets, and we will automate this process. So for creating this integration and to automate this process, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. For using Pabbly Connect, I'm going to open a new tab and search for pabbly.com. And this will take me to this landing page of Pabbly Connect, and here we have two options: sign in and sign up for free. If you don't have an account with Pabbly Connect, you can sign up for free, and it will only take 2 minutes of your time, and you will get hundreds of tasks free every month. And if you already have an account with Pabbly Connect, you can just sign in, and this will take us to this page of Pabbly Connect. So these are the tools that Pabbly Connect offers to us, such as Pabbly Connect, Pabbly Subscription Billing, Pabbly Email Marketing, Pabbly Form Builder, and Pabbly Email Verification. In all these tools, we are going to use Pabbly Connect, and for using Pabbly Connect, I'm going to click here on Access Now button under Pabbly Connect, and this will take me to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. In the dashboard, we can see these are the workflows that I have created. This is the folder section, and we can create new folders from here, and also we can save our workflows in the folders that we want. These are the details related to my tasks, such as task allotted to me, task consumed by me, task remaining for me, and free task consumed by me. Here, what our objective is to create a new workflow. For that, I'm going to click on this Create Workflow button, and this new window will pop up. Here we have two options: name my workflow or select folder. First, I'll name my workflow. I will name it as Sessions Google Sheets Integration. So this is our objective. We are going to create an integration between our sessions and Google Sheets. Now we have this of select folder. Here you can select the folders where you want to save your workflows. I only have one folder, which is home. So I'm going to select that, and I'm going to click on create. So this will take me to this window. So here we have two of the most important things on which our workflows work, such as triggers and action. So trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is the first step of our workflow. Whenever a trigger event gets executed, action event follows that. Now we are going to set up our trigger. For that, we are going to use session. So our trigger application will be sessions. I'll search for session. I'll click here on session. Now we need to select our trigger event for our trigger. So I'll open this tab and look for our trigger event, which will be event published. I click here. So this will trigger whenever a new event is published on our trigger. Now here we have webhook URL, and how we are going to connect this webhook URL. For that, you can follow this step. You can read these steps for any doubt. I'll first copy this webhook URL. Now I will go to my sessions account. I will go to my profile. In my profile, I will open account settings, and I will go to webhook sections. Now I will add my webhook. For that, I'll click here on add webhook. I'll paste the URL that we have copied from the Pabbly Connect. I'll paste it here. I'll give a trigger, which will be event published, and I will give the permission, which is personal. You can select organization too, but I'll use personal, and I'll confirm this. So my webhook is connected. Now I will publish an event for the test record. For that, I'll go to the events. I'll click on new event. I'll give my event name as test event. I will select the date and time for my event, which will be 14 October. Time will be 12 PM to 12:30 PM, and the event will end on the same day, 14 October. I'll click on create event. Now I have to give a description for my event. So I'll give the description. My description is this event is created for test submission. So we have already selected the date and time, and now we will click on publish event. So our event is published. Now we will go back to Pabbly Connect, and we will see that we get some response here. So our trigger was event published. So this is the date and time of our session, 14th of October 2023. This was the name of our event, test event. And we also have the description. This event is created for test submission. As we can see in our webbook, we got the UTC time zone, which is 5.5 hours ahead of us, and we need to change this. We need to format this, and we want our date and time in Asia, Kolkata, Pacific region. And for that, we are going to use date and time formatter, and we need to change the format of this time zone so that we can use the time as we had in sessions, and we will get this time in our Google Sheets too. We are going to change the format of our time. For that, we are going to use date and time formatter, which is a tool that Pabbly Connect offers. I'll search for date and time formatter. I'll give an action event, which will be format time zone only. I'll connect this. Now I will select the date which we have to format. So I'll open the webbook response and I will select date session start at. So this was our date. So this was in the UTC time zone. I will select that from time zone. Now I will change it to Asia Kolkata time zone because that's what I need. You can change it to any format that you want. I will change into Asia Kolkata and I'll click on save and send test request button. And this has given me the required time zone that I need. Now I will set up our action and my action will be Google Sheets. I'll search Google Sheet. Now I will give an action event which will be add new row and I will connect my Google Sheet. I'll click on add new connection and I will sign in with Google. I'll allow this. So my account is connected successfully. Before mapping all these details, let me take you to my Google Sheets. So this is my Google Sheets. And we have 3 columns here, event name, event description and date and time. And the name of my Google Sheet is sessions event. And we are using sheet 1. So we will map all these details in my Pabbly Connect account. First, I will select the spreadsheet that we are using, which was sessions event. And my sheet was sheet 1. As we have selected the spreadsheet, the details have changed here and the details got changed as a column in Google Sheets. So we will map this here. I'll map the event name from the webbook response. So I will map it as data session test event. I'll give an event description and I will map it again. Now I will map the date and time, but I will map it from the date and time formatter because we are going to use Asia Kolkata date and time, not the UTC one. So I have mapped all these details. And why we are using mapping? So the reason is that we need this data to change in the real time. So whenever a new data is captured in the webbook response, the data should get exchanged in the same manner and we will get the real data in the real time. So after mapping this data, I click on save and send test request button. And here we get some response from our action. Now to check this, let's go to my Google Sheet and here we can see we have the data. So event name is test event and the event description is this event is created for test submission and the date and time, which is 14th of October 2023 and the time is 12 p.m. So we got the details of event that we have published and this was our objective. So our workflow is working successfully. Let's summarize what we did here. First, we have set up our trigger. Then we have set up our action. In this action, we have formatted the date and time in the format that we want. And then we have set up another action in which we have set up our Google Sheet. So in our trigger application, we used sessions and in our action application, we used Google Sheet. So whenever a new event is published in our sessions, a new row is added automatically in our Google Sheets. Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this using Pabbly Connect. If you need any help or if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can post them at forum.pabbly.com, or if you have any issue with the pricing of Pabbly, you can connect on this link. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.